You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this play by French author Adam de la Halle, his most famous work. In French it is said as le jeu meaning the game, le jeu de Robin, Robin, not Robin, Robin, et, which is French for and, Marion. So overall, le jeu de Robin et Marion, le jeu de Robin et Marion. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as jeu de Robin et Marion. Jeu de Robin et Marion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.